Yeah, guys, short video here about what you can do on Kapwing.com, the online video editor, if you need to boost an audio track more than 200%. So here you can see that in this sample, I have a normal recording and I have a clip here where the microphone didn't really work. So I'm going to play that now so you can see the difference between these two clips.
Compared to what you are doing.
And so here we have the watch after using. And so the audio level is pretty low. And so I can just push here up. You can see maximum 200%. There is not more possible because of some audio limitations in Kapwing. I think they are not using compressors and also not any other kind of advanced audio tools as far as I know. And so is it 200%? Let's check again. I mean, regarding the waves, it looks really nice, looks even louder than on the left side, but let's try again. So I play this here for you again.
Compared to what you are doing.
And so here we have the watch after using it. Yeah, it's not bad, but still I think a little bit less volume here, even with the 200%. So the question is then, what can we do? And so here comes my trick or my advice. You need something which is louder, or the best is even much louder than the clip which you want to boost. And so what I do, I reset the audio level here and mark both of the clips, the one where I want the boost and the other one which is really loud. And when both are marked, we go to the audio setting and use the auto level volume. And so it has done something. The outcome is not very certain. So sometimes it works a little bit, sometimes not at all, but sometimes it works really great. So we see still 100% on the left side. On the left side, we don't need this auto level volume. So we move that back to normal. And on the right side, we need it, but you can see it has increased the volume despite leaving this slider here on 100%. So now we have the option to increase it a lot. And now let's test how this sounds. I play this again.
Compared to what you are doing.
And so here we have the watch after using it for 3 days. Yeah, I would say it's about perfect. Definitely much better than before. The interesting thing is I can even change it while playing. Here we have the watch after using it for 3 days. It has been holding up really nice. You can see how we are waking it up usually with a wrist chest. Maybe in this example you can't really hear the huge difference which it can make. I have used it a couple of times and sometimes it boosted the audio really, really nicely, even more than here, and definitely more than whatever you could do here on this side with just this slider. I've reported this a couple of times now to Kapwing.com that we really need more than 200% in some cases, but I don't know if they're not willing or if it's maybe just a technical limitation that it's really not possible. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that they won't increase that in the future. So we have to deal with what we have, and the auto level volume in combination with a much louder clip can be a really good option to work around that. So that's what I wanted to let you know. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have found some better workarounds, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.